Okay, ladies, I'm about to give you the best life hack you're ever going to hear when it comes to hats. If you're a blogger, you do stuff on Instagram, whatever, you more than likely have like a million of these hats around. I actually bought this one on Amazon where I buy everything else, but it's way too big. So I didn't want to return it because I thought it was really cute. And I'm like, how do I make this thing fit my head? It's huge. Like, we're talking, it's really big. If there was a wind to come up at all, this thing's just gonna go and fall off my head. So, how do you fix it? Every single one of these hats has an inside liner, as you can see. It's a sweatband liner. I also bought this on Amazon, in case you're wondering, again, where I buy everything. So this is a simple felt that has the adhesive backing on it. So you can buy it pretty much anywhere. Again, I bought it on Amazon. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna cut a slice off like that. In this inside liner, you can simply lift it up. And first of all, I'm gonna try it to see how this looks. So I just put it up in there to try it. Okay, still huge, right? But it did fit a little bit more snug. And we're gonna take another piece. So this is before I'm actually taking the adhesive backing off of it. Take another piece. And I'm gonna place it in the front area, just to see if it helps. Okay, so, definitely starting to fit. It actually fits my head, but we could do a little more. So we're gonna take another piece and try putting it on the side. Again, we haven't taken off any of the adhesive backing. We're just placing it to see how it fits. So let's try that. Oh, we're almost there. I actually think we're there. Let's try one more on the other side. Don't mind my hair. And let's see if the other side makes it too tight or if it fits correctly. Let's go there. Again, no adhesive backing yet, just still trying it out. Oh, that's a snug fit right there. Okay, so I did put one in the front, I put one in the back, and I put one on each side. So that's gonna make it fit. So now we just have to take the adhesive backing off. So again, we're putting it in the liner part so that it doesn't matter what color you buy for the adhesive backing. They come in different colors, but the reality is you're not going to see it at all. Like so. All right, so we got one in. I'm telling you guys, this will change your life. I don't understand how they do a one-size-fits-all hat because we all have drastically different size heads. Stick it right on the liner and pull it down. That's literally it. You can't even see it. Plus nobody's gonna be taking off your hat and staring at the inside of your sweatband. I mean, possibly, but. This is probably one of the easiest, yet most effective and fascinating ways of making a hat fit. So you are welcome for that tip. We all have friends in our lives that also could use this hack, so share it. So you don't ever have to get rid of hats, return hats like this, because you're set.